All right, guys, I know we've been messing with a lot of muffler videos lately. Today, we're gonna talk about a couple of the muffler videos that we got coming up for you. If you're new to the channel, let me give you a rundown of what we got going on. This is my 1990 Ford Mustang Fox body, and this is a naturally aspirated 387 stroker. Now, this motor made about 400 wheel with about 430 torque, so it's got a little bit of torque to it. Stock block 351, stock 351 rod, factory forged 302 pistons from a 302, and a cheaper $300 Eagle 3.85 stroke crank. So if you're new to the channel, this is my 351 base stroker block. Pretty nice little naturally aspirated build, budget minded, 1.75" headers. As you know, we did the MAC Flowpath mufflers on here. We actually converted them to 3" and built an X pipe. Now recently we tightened up the X pipe, we welded up and basically made it so the mufflers are swappable. And that's what this whole series is based off of, muffler sound. Because I mean, who don't like a little bit of cam shot and some exhaust, right? But we're not here to talk about the MAC Flowpath much anymore, but I did promise you guys some drive-by videos and some burnout videos when we got the mufflers put on, and that's what we're gonna finish the video with, so stick around. But first, we're gonna open up the box that was sent to us from Vibrant Performance. I gotta show you what's in this box. Did he do it again? That had you fly every time I hit the damn video. He was knocking down that wood up there. That's messed up, bro. Trying to film here. Okay, big shout to Cassius at Vibrant, as he actually digs what we got going on the channel with the mufflers, and he sent me some stuff. Damn it. Oh, hell yeah. We got some Vibrant mufflers to try out. Yep, check that out, baby. Hell yeah. Send it. That's a nice muffler. Look at that. Wonder what that thing's gonna sound like. One of the major changes that we're gonna do to the 387 is give it a little more chop. We talked about this in our last video. We're gonna be putting an Anderson B451 cam in. I think this is gonna definitely bring a little bit of more noise out of the mufflers that we're doing here on the channel. We gotta go pick out another set of mufflers that we're gonna be using for our next test. So me and Cousin Paul are gonna go start digging through our old muffler pile that we've had for number of years. Yeah. We've had those things for too long almost. Needless to say, we've collected quite a bit of exhaust over the years. Different parts cars, different performance stuff that we've done here on the channel. But we got a handful of Flowmaster mufflers here that unfortunately aren't 3". A lot of them are 2.5", but that doesn't mean anything. So me and Cousin Paul decided on these two Flowmasters here with kind of crappy flow tubes. I'm gonna tap them real quick on the cement. Make sure there's not really, I mean, you're gonna have your normal little bit of rust from sitting, but should be just fine.
Nothing in this one.
Nope, that thing was empty. Now, if you guys remember the footage, our MAC Flowpaths did not come 3". So we had to convert them to 3". Much like we're about to do here with our Flowmasters, and I'm gonna show you how, just like I did with the MAC Flowpaths. This is kind of like a 2.25". But that's okay, we can cut this outlet and make it 3" and convert it like we did with our MAC Flowpaths on our black car. So what we have here is our 3" ID and OD reducers adapter. Is we're gonna actually cut this Flowmaster out much like we did the Flowpaths, and we're gonna weld this inlet and outlet. We're gonna bring back that iconic sound from the 90s, 3" style. So I did promise you guys some drive-by videos and some burnout videos with the MAC Flowpaths when we finished them. Didn't get a chance to get that far because the exhaust needed adjusted. Got that done, and I got that here for you here in the video. So let me take you back to a Sunday a couple weeks ago. I was having a nice ride along with my girlfriend Katie. Join us as we decide to light some tires up for you here in the channel. So I always enjoyed my drives on Sunday. One of the main reasons why I made the black car naturally aspirated. Still makes 400 wheel, and I was missing that iconic muffler sound and cam chop, which we're going to be doing here in the channel with the black car. So enjoy some of the footage. Got a little bit of a ride along, and we got some killer burnout stuff at the end. Katie's actually been doing pretty good driving the black car, but recently we've had an issue with our starter and our starter wire, and if you were to turn it off, it would be difficult to start. But we fixed that. Maybe next time.
I thought you said you could.
Okay, let's not stop.
Walk starter.
Maybe next time. Yeah, what? Next time. Next
You
time.
can make it go.
Listen, next time, let me fix the car. Let me fix the starter, and then that way if you stall it, we ain't stuck in Sunday.
We won't be stuck.
Listen, just close the door. Yeah, this starter got smoked. We had a bad ground issue on the black car for a number that was all crusty.
I don't know how fast you're going in this car. Are you serious? None of these work?
All of them work.
They don't. That says 0.
For a reason.
My stomach says we're going about 60.
Honey, we're doing like 40.
No one. Where's the game show works, please?
Right here, water, tack, boost, tack.
Yeah, I want to get that little guy right there to watch when I do it. Can I do it that way?
This guy? No. Because I don't have a turbo in here. This is all naturally aspirated.
I
Drop the gear.
Stop! Don't do that when I'm not paying attention. Don't do that. I don't like that. That's it for me. Almost a good day for you. No. And I don't want to go on 11. I want to go this way. I don't want to go.
It's fun.
No, please. That makes me so happy. See, that's my only.
And then I'll go this way. Like I promised, we're going to do a MAC Flowpath muffler burnout where you can hear that thing starting to sing. We're going to do the same thing with all the other mufflers in the upcoming videos. So you get a chance to hear that iconic muffler sound one more time. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to be doing similar videos just like this with our other mufflers. Next up would be our Flowmaster 40 series, but we got to convert it to 3-inch like I had mentioned. And as we do the burnout videos, we'll be able to do the sound clips next to each other. Be a cool little thing for the channel and give me something to do on a Sunday, bring some content to you. If you enjoyed the video, give me a big thumbs up, give me a comment below, let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Check out that join button for exclusive content to the channel. Outside of that, appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.